Hi guys, today I will show you the full process to make your own virtual machine on your computer, step by step, and let's get started. So first we have to download VirtualBox. For Windows hosts. Okay, now I have it. Before I start it, I want to download Microsoft's image creation tool to download ICO file, which will be needed to create virtual machine after that. So download tool. There it is, and I will just configure it to download the ICO before start the VirtualBox installation. It takes some time to download the ICO, so you have to be patient. So create installation media, English 64-bit. If you don't have two processors to share, you can choose 32-bit version, but I will choose 64-bit for now. Okay, I want to make ICO file and put it to desktop, and now it will download it and verify it and so on, and I will skip this to the end of downloading. Okay, as you can see, the ICO file now is downloaded and ready, so we can start installation of VirtualBox. The process is simple. Next, yes, stop. VirtualBox is ready. Now we have to create our virtual machine. Name, paste. Okay. Microsoft Windows 10 46 bits. 64 bits. 64 bits. Here I will put well, at least 4 gigabyte of RAM for 64-bit version. The size of the hard disk is 50 gigabytes is too much for me, so because will be only one partition, 30 gigabytes. Okay, one more settings that I skipped. Processors. I'll share 2 processors, 2 cores, or 2 CPUs with virtual machine. Okay. We have to put the ICO file here. Okay, and now start the machine. From now on is simple installation of Windows 10. If you know how this is happening, you can skip this step. Okay. Yes. Next. Install now. For the moment I don't have product key. Windows 10 Pro. Next. Accept. Here I will make only one partition. Why? Okay. And now we have to wait to Windows to install. So the installation is finished, and now we have to configure some things. It takes some time to configure some things, and I'll skip this to the exact part. Okay, next steps. Just you have to wait to Cortana to say some things. United States. Okay, yes. Skip. And the waiting continues. For personal use. Next. Offline account. No. List. Password. I'll decline this. No. Here I choose everything off. Okay. No. And you're ready with clear installation of Windows 10 on the VirtualBox virtual machine. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.